Hey, Seth David here from the world famous Nerd Enterprises Incorporated. And these days we talk so much about AI and all the AI tools that are out there that are going to help you buy back time because you're essentially going to be automating or getting help with different processes. But did you know that QuickBooks Online Advanced has its own set of workflows or automations that will help you buy back time right inside the product? And that when you couple that with the ecosystem of apps that you can connect to QuickBooks Online and the powerful things you can do, I want to talk to you about two really important areas that you can substantially automate. One is your accounts receivable collections process, which is a major lever you can pull to improve cash flow. And the other one is the reporting capabilities, which these days, when we're focused on providing advisory services to clients, one of the most powerful and valuable things we can do is find ways to improve cash flow from operations. Oftentimes that means analyzing data to see how and where we can increase sales. I've just done this video for you called The Power of QuickBooks Online Advanced and its ecosystem for mid-market companies. Watch this video and learn everything about what I'm talking about.